Good morning one and all. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So let's start our current affairs of June 25th, 2021. And the first question is, who becomes second New Zealand bowler to take 600 wickets in international cricket? The options are A. Kyle Jamieson, B. Tim Southee, C. Neil Wagner, and D. Devon Conway. The correct answer is B. Tim Southee. He took the Shubham Gill's wicket as the 600th in the international cricket. He has 311 Test wickets, 190 ODI and 99 T20 wickets at the moment. And the first bowler was Daniel Vittor, leads the list with 696 international wickets. And the second question is, Nahida Manzoor becomes first woman from which state to climb Mount Everest? And the options are A. Gujarat, B. Jammu and Kashmir, C. Karnataka, and D. Manipur. And the correct answer is B. Jammu and Kashmir. So she is the first woman from Kashmir to climb Mount Everest, and she is Nahida Manzoor. And the third question is, who was appointed as member of Cricket West Indies Board of Directors? And the options are A. Brian Lara, B. Bishop, C. Darren Sammy, and D. K. Brathwaite. And the correct answer is C. Darren Sammy. Darren Sammy is only captain to have won World T20 Cup twice in 2014 and 2016, and he is appointed as a member of Cricket of West Indies Board of Directors. The fourth question is, who was appointed as first VC of Delhi Sports University? And the options are A. P.T. Usha, B. Virendra Sehwag, C. Anil Kumble, and D. Karnam Malleshwari. And the correct answer is D. Karnam Malleshwari. In 2010, she becomes first Indian woman to win Olympic medal. In 1995, she received the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna and Padma Shri in 1999. Delhi Assembly had passed a bill in 2019 to set up a Delhi Sports University, and Karnam Malleshwari was appointed as first VC of Delhi Sports University. And the fifth question is, which of the following ministry has launched Jaan Hai To Jaha Hai campaign? And the options are A. Ministry of Agriculture, B. Ministry of Minority Affairs, C. Ministry of Tribal Affairs, and D. Ministry of Foreign Affairs. And the correct answer is B. Ministry of Minority Affairs. So, Minority Affairs Minister M.A. Naquin launched this campaign, awareness campaign on corona vaccine for rural and remote areas. And the sixth question is, which country signs a MOU with India to expand their environmental cooperation? And the options are A. Bhutan, B. Nepal, C. UAE, and D. Dubai. And the correct answer is A. Bhutan. So, Bhutan signs a MOU with India to expand their environmental cooperation. And the seventh question is, according to Hurun Research and Adele Give Foundation, who has been named the world's top philanthropist of the last 100 years? And the options are A. Bill Gates, B. Jamshedji Tata, C. Warren Buffett, and D. Dhirubhai Ambani. And the correct answer is B. Jamshedji Tata. Tata tops of the century Bill and Melinda Gates second with donation values at US dollars 74.6 billion. And the only other Indian on the list is Azim Premji, the founder of Wipro Limited. The world's most generous individuals in the last century came from 6 countries, that is US with 39, followed by 5 from UK, 3 from China and 2 from India, and 1 from Portugal and Switzerland. $832 billion total donation from world's most generous individuals in the last centuries. And the 8th question is, according to Annual Bank Statistics of 2020 released by Swiss National Bank, what is the India's rank in the list of overseas clients' cash in Swiss banks during 2020? And the options are A. 51st, B. 53rd, C. 49th, and D. 58th. And the correct answer is A. 51st. UK tops with CHF 377 billions in the list, whereas India ranks 51st in the list of overseas clients' cash in Swiss banks during 2020. And the 9th question is, who is the author of the book Abe Cartoon? And the options are A. Kajal Suri, B. Arvind Gaur, C. Ravi Shastri, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Kajal Suri. Kajal Suri has written the book and released it by Arvind Gaur. The book is published by Sanjana Prakashan Habba Cartoon, also known by the honorary title The Nightingale of Kashmir. And the 10th question is, who won the Star Sports Greatest Captain of 21st Century Award? And the options are A. MS Dhoni, B. Steve Smith, C. Steve Waugh, and D. Anil Kumble. And the correct answer is C. Steve Waugh. He is a former Australian cricketer and won the Star Sports Greatest Captain of 21st Century Award. And the 11th question is, who was selected as Greatest All-Rounder in 21st Century by Star Sports? And the options are A. Brendan McCullum, B. Ricky Ponting, C. Hashim Amla, and D. Jay Callis. And the correct answer is Jay Callis. He is a former South African cricketer and coach of South African team, and he won the Greatest All-Rounder in 21st Century by Star Sports. And the 12th question is, which of the following airport has won the Airport Council International Director General's Role of Excellence honor in airport service quality? And the options are A. Chennai International Airport, B. Goa International Airport, C. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, and D. Cochin International Airport. And the correct answer is D. Cochin International Airport. So, Cochin International Airport has won the Airport Council International Director General's Role of Excellence honor in airport service quality. And the 13th question is, Which country's military have successfully tested an airborne high-power laser? And the options are A. Japan, B. Russia, C. Israel, and D. USA. And the correct answer is C. Israel. This airborne high-power laser can shoot down drones. And the 14th question is, Moody's Investors has slashed India's growth forecast to what percent for 2021? And the options are A. 9.6%, B. 9.8%, C. 7.8%, and D. 8.4%. And the correct answer is A. 9.6%. And the one-liners today are, L. Prashant Pai has been appointed as next ambassador to Iraq. Lavzone Naidu has been elected as new chairman of South African cricket. Ravindra Jadeja is now the new #1 ranked all-rounder in Test cricket. India-Fiji inks MOU for cooperation in agriculture and allied sector. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs and stay safe, stay home.